Hello everyone. So this is Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphology Made Simple. Okay. And once again we are back with another signature type. So this particular signature type is known as the suicide signature. Okay. This is the type of signature which everyone should avoid because this type of signature is found in suicide notes. Okay. So it's better to avoid it. And if you find someone who signs like this, then do talk with them, help them, and ask them what's happening in their life. Okay, so let's look at how to find this particular trait. Yes, so I have just named it the red flag signature because if you see someone having this type of signature, then it's a red flag. Okay, this needs to be changed immediately. So how to find? Before this, let me tell you an example, short example. So suppose you are frustrated about something. So how do you react in a way when you have given a pen? You will cut a particular thing like this. Okay, when you are frustrated about something. So similarly, here you can see writer cuts his name, his or her name. So it indicates that writer is frustrated about himself, herself. So in this particular example, you can see single line. In some notes, it is multiple lines. Okay, like this. So it indicates that writer is frustrated about self, and that's why he has taken or she has taken this particular decision. So it's better to avoid it. Okay, if you have this again. So how to find this particular trait? If someone cuts his or her name in the signature, then that person falls under this particular trait. Okay, let's look at something more. So it doesn't necessarily mean that a person who is having this type of signature is feeling suicidal. Okay, sometimes they may sign this in this particular way by mistake. If that's the reason, then you can tell them to sign once again. Okay, so for example, this particular person, you tell them to sign again, and next time he signs in a nice way about the name underline. Okay, so sometimes people may make mistake, so don't judge quickly. Tell them to sign once again. Yet, if they once again, after telling them to sign once again, they still have this type of signature, then it's a red flag. Okay, you need to tell them to change the particular signature they are having. Okay, by telling them to sign below the baseline, underline, and also do talk with them. Okay, and if you are having this type of signature, then immediately change this because it's not a good trait, it's a negative trait, very much negative trait, and it also indicates self-sabotage. Okay, so this particular person hates himself, herself, so they don't want themselves to be have success because they don't feel confident about self. So it's better to avoid this trait and talk with someone. Okay, it's important to talk with someone because you will let your things out. So that's all for this video. I believe you have learned something. And if you find someone who has this type of signature, then immediately tell them to sign once again. Okay. And if the signature remains same, then ask them what is wrong in their life. Okay. And tell them the change is simple to sign under the line. Okay. Rather than here. So that's all for this video. I believe you have learned something new. Okay, we are coming with another interesting video. I believe you will learn more in it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Let's keep learning. Let's keep growing.